Okay, today we're going to take our VS.4 Life in the Colonial Virginia test. Please be sure your name is at the top of the page. Please circle the correct answer. Letter A. A crop that is grown to sell for money rather than for use by the growers is called A. Tobacco, B. Corn, C. Cash crop, D. Profit. Number 2. The economy of the Virginia colony depended on blank as the primary source of wealth. A. Customs, B. Agriculture, C. Richmond, D. Wealth. Number 3. Tobacco was sold as a cash crop to A. England, B. American Indians, C. Roanoke, D. Angola. Number 4. The successful planting of tobacco depended on a reliable and inexpensive source of A. Crop, B. Farm, C. Seed, D. Labor. Number 5. The name Richmond comes from which culture? A. English, B. American Indian, C. German, D. African. Number 6. The name Roanoke comes from which culture? A. English, B. American Indian, C. German, D. African. Number 7. Which group settled all over Virginia? A. Indians, B. English, C. Africans, D. Germans and Scots-Irish. Number 8. Which group was forced to settle primarily in the coastal plain and Piedmont region? A. Indians, B. English, C. Africans, D. Germans and Scots-Irish. Number 9. Which group settled primarily in the Shenandoah Valley? A. Indians, B. English, C. Africans, D. Germans and Scots-Irish. Number 10. Virginia's capital moved from Jamestown to A. Williamsburg, B. Roanoke, C. Richmond, D. Shenandoah Valley. Number 11. Drinking water in Jamestown was contaminated by seepage of A. Diseases, B. Fire, C. Dirt, D. Salt water. Number 12. Dirty living conditions in Jamestown caused A. Diseases, B. Fire, C. Dirt, D. Salt water. Number 13. Wooden buildings at Jamestown were destroyed by A. Diseases, B. Fire, C. Dirt, D. Salt water. Number 14. Williamsburg was an established A. Barn, B. Farm, C. Plantation, D. Town. Number 15. Virginia's capital moved from Williamsburg to Jamestown, B. Roanoke, C. Richmond, D. Shenandoah Valley. Number 16. The trading of goods and services without the use of money is called A. Credit, B. Barter, C. Saving, D. Debt. Number 17. Buying a good or service now and paying for it later is called A. Credit, B. Barter, C. Saving, D. Debt. Number 18. A good or service owed to another is called A. Barter, B. Credit, C. Money, D. Debt. Number 19. A medium of exchange. Number 19. A medium of exchange is called A. Money, B. Debt, C. Savings, D. Credit. Number 20. Money put away to spend at a later time is called A. Barter, B. Savings. I read that wrong. Let me reread it. Number 20. Money put away to spend at a later time is called A. Barter, B. Savings, C. Debt, D. Credit. Number 21. Barter was commonly used instead of A. Trade, B. Crop, C. Money, D. Tobacco. Number 22. Most people lived in A. Large houses, B. One-room houses, C. Barns, D. Plantations. Number 23. Clothes were made of A. Wool, leather, and silk, B. Cotton, wood, and leather, C. I read that wrong. I'm sorry. Let me reread it. Clothes were made of A. Wool, leather, and silk, B. Cotton, wool, and leather, C. Cotton, wool, and yarn, D. Cotton, wool, and straw. Clothes were made out of what? Number 24. Most enslaved African Americans worked tobacco, other crops, and A. Money, B. Houses, C. Livestock, D. Clothes. Number 25. Free African Americans were denied A. Business, B. Property, C. Most political rights, D, tobacco. All right, now we're ready for our extra credit. Each one is worth 4 points each. Number 1, tobacco was used as blank. This answer is just one word. Tobacco was used as blank. Number 2, Colonial Virginia had no blank. This answer is also one word. Number 2, Colonial Virginia had no blank. Number 3, there we go. Meals in the colony were made of local blank and blank. And you must get both words right to get the point. Number 3, meals in the colony were made of local blank and blank. All right, kiddos, go back and check your work carefully.